Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to create a YouTube channel. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here logged in on YouTube from my Gmail account. Now to create a YouTube channel, first of all, over in the top right, you will see your icon over here. Click on this and here you can see create a channel. Click on this and after that you can see your name. That means the channel name which will be appeared on your channel. I'll keep this as TrendTechGuide2 and you can see here is my handle @TrendTechGuide2 and create channel. And you can see here is message, your channel is being created. Check back in few moments. That means my channel is being created, and if I refresh after a few times, and you can see my channel TrendTechGuide2 is created. So in this way we can create a YouTube channel. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.